Hi there, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about my free card kit in the mail this month. It's different from what I typically do, and so I wanted to make sure everyone understood what the deal is, how it's different, and how you can get supplies to make these cards for free. So first of all, Stampin' Up! Has come out with this product medley that this is the first time they've done something like that. We've had like product suites and different bundles, but this is a medley of products. This is one item number, one price, super simple ordering. I've done videos showing exactly what is in this product medley. So if you did not see that video, you can go ahead on my Jodi Reinert Stamps page here and scroll down and you'll see that video and details of everything you get in the kit. Today with this video, I wanted to focus on the cards that I made. So this is the stamp set. Everything is Rosy. It is an 18-piece photopolymer stamp set. It comes with coordinating dies and lots of other pieces that you'll see on these cards. So like I said, the product medley, one ordering number, it's $80, and you get tons of supplies with that. You also, if you want to complete them exactly as shown, these are the two inks that I used, Night of Navy and Melon Mambo. These are the only two colors that I used on all of these cards. So normally, for those of you that are familiar with my card kit in the mail that I do every month, normally I tell you a big list of supplies. If you want to complete the card as shown, this is what you need to order. This time it's a little different because it's just that product medley, and of course these two ink pads if you don't have them. But the instructions will be a little different because, for example, with this, you're getting the ribbon, you're getting the label, you're getting the designer paper. All that is part of the product medley. So this time, for the instructions that you get, there's going to be more measurements. So for example, in the past, I would have said, attach the white cardstock to the Night of Navy card base and then attach your designer paper. Well, this time, anything that you have to cut, any of this designer paper that you cut, I will tell you the exact measurements so that you know what you need to do, or the exact measurement of the amount of ribbon that you need. So it'll be a little bit different with instructions. Anything that's not provided in the kit, which is basically just like the card base and like there's some extra layers like this white one, that's what will be included in your card kit, as well as envelopes. So anything that's not part of the product medley and envelopes will be in your card kit. The other thing that's different is usually I do 4 cards in my free card kit because so much of this is part of that product medley, the designer paper, the tags, the ribbons, some embellishments, foil papers. Because I'm not having to provide that, it's part of your product medley that you're ordering, I decided to bump it up this month, and you're actually going to get supplies to make 6 cards instead of 4. So let's get to it and show you. You can see the designer paper on here has that rose gold foil as well as the tag, so it's reflecting some light there, and this Melon Mambo ribbon is really pretty and really easy to work with. Here's the next one. Again, you see a couple of the designer paper patterns, the foil on here. The tags come in that product medley. These little embellishments are like little mirrors. The dies cut this out of the foil paper. And then there's this one. This Night of Navy ribbon is so pretty. It's got that rose gold edging on it. So it's really pretty ribbon there. And you can see that it's got the foil around the tag, and also this flower here is foil. These images I stamped and then cut out with the dies, as opposed to these right here are die cuts. You just punch that out and attach it, so that's super easy. This one here, you're gonna see a lot of reflection because this is a larger piece of the rose gold foil paper, and then I cut this little border out and attached that as well. Little frame, just some really pretty designer paper there. This product medley also comes with shimmer paint, and so I wanted to use that in a couple of different ways. For this card, I put shimmer paint with rubbing alcohol in a little Stampin' Spritzer. So I combined that, shook it up really well, and then just spritzed onto the shimmery white cardstock. And you can see the shimmer a little bit. It's so much more noticeable and pretty in person. And then I also took some little pieces. These are actually from one of the labels. Like, you know, when you have a label and there's little like negatives left behind, these are the little pieces that were left behind that I decided to use just as little accents. There's some foil on that designer paper as well. This one I really like because I used that shimmer paint. So like I said, I mixed it with rubbing alcohol to spritz on here. For this one, I took it and just painted on some shimmery white cardstock, let it dry just a little bit, and then stamped this image with the Night of Navy ink. And then of course the tag and some ribbon. So actually, most of the cards have Night of Navy. Here is where I used Melon Mambo on this greeting, and then this card, both of them are used, the Melon Mambo and Night of Navy, to do some stamping. So like I said, you order the Everything is Rosy product medley. It's $80. You use the host code that's listed in my card kit event, which I'll put a link to here. And then I will send you in the mail the supplies that aren't included in your product medley, so the extra cardstock layers as well as envelopes. I'll send you that in the mail, and then I'll email you instructions so you know what dimensions you need to cut any designer paper or ribbon to. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out and let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to stamping with you soon.